Hi guys, welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture we will try to create a table my employee, and let's see if we can create the table. Create table my underscore employee. What fields should we keep in the my employee table? Let it be the employee number, so it will be emp underscore number of type decimal. Okay, and one more column is emp underscore name and decimal. So now we can create the whole table here. So that see table my employee is created. Now we will try to insert values in my employee. So insert into my employee values, employee number 1, and the employee name is, let it be John, and we will try to run the query. So here we can see error at command line 26, and the first error is at 25. It is saying that column not allowed here. So you see the problem here is we have created a column of decimal type and we are trying to insert a string value. So here comes the concept of data types, and for this we have to make some changes in the table. We will see that in the lectures too, but for now let's just drop table my employee. So here we got errors, and we will learn about the data types and how we can make changes in already created tables. And one more thing here is, here you can see the line number 26, but you cannot see any line number right here. But to show the line numbers, you can simply right click and the toggle line number. So now you can see that there is 25 and 26 and every line number is showing. That's it for today's lecture, and see you guys in next one. Thank you.